Good morning, one and all. I am Professor S.S. Yadav. Today, I am going on the next week introduction to the trigonometry. We'll see the details introduction of the trigonometry. What is meant by trigonometry? Trigonometry, it is a branch of mathematical, or we can say the branch of mathematics that provide the relation between the sides and angles okay, of that triangle is known as a trigonometry is nothing but it is a branch of the mathematics okay, that provide the relation between sides and angles. I will take the here right angle. This right angle, all of you know how to draw the right angle. This is the ABC. Okay, this is the 90 degree, and I will consider this angle is a theta. This angle is a theta. Okay. See, again I will repeat. It is the branch of mathematics that provide the relation between that sides and angles. Sides and angles of triangle is known as a trigonometry. We'll study the sides and angles of the triangles in the trigonometry. Then see, there are some terms are given. Okay, we know that sin theta, cos theta, then tan theta, cosec theta, then sec theta and cot theta. We'll see the one by one. Okay, see first here is there are three Greek words. This trigonometry is defined. Three Greek words. Okay, which three Greek words? First is a tri. Tri means three. Okay, remember that. How to get this trigonometry with the help of Greek letters? Tri means three. Then gon. Gon means sides. Okay, this sides. Gon means sides. 1, 2, 3. Three sides are given. Gon means sides. And third is a metron. Okay, third is a, what is this? Metron. Metron is nothing but the measurement, or we can say the simply measure. We can say the simply measure. Okay. Therefore, that this trigonometry is this made by these three Greek words tri, gon, and metron. Tri means three, gon means sides, and metron means measure. Okay. Then we will see the trigonometric ratio. Okay, we know that trigonometric ratio. Okay, how to write this ratio? You know that how to write the ratio of the trigonometry? Yes, anybody? Trigonometry ratio is write in this way: 3 as a 4, suppose, or we can write 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4. In this way, we want to write that value for the sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta, etc. Okay, we'll see the one by one. First, see, there are 6 terms are given. There are 6 terms are given. Which terms are given? 6 terms. We'll erase this. 6 terms. Which 6 terms are given? See one by one. We'll see that terms. First terms of trigonometry. Okay, there are 6 terms are given. First, I will write the sin theta equal to, then cos theta, then next is a tan theta, then next is a cot theta. First cosec theta, and next sec theta, and last is a cot theta. Okay, that 6 terms you have to remember in the trigonometry. Okay, in the when you solving the numerical, then we will require that 6 terms. Then how to find out that 6 term? Theta is the acute angle. This theta is given here, acute angle. Sometimes you will get here also theta. Okay, then how to solve the given numerical with the help of this formulas? See, first is a sin theta. I will write here. We'll consider that angle C. We'll consider the angle C. Angle. This is the symbol of angle. This is the symbol of angle. Okay. This is the symbol of angle. Angle C. We are consider the angle C is the theta. Theta is nothing but the value of that angle. Value of that angle. Okay. First check that sin theta. Before going on that, you should remember this opposite side is always perpendicular. Okay, that's why I will write here P. AB is perpendicular to that theta or BC. Okay, this is the BC is the base side. That's why I will denote as a B. And this is the AC is the hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side. You should remember that AB is the perpendicular side, BC is the base side, or AC is the hypotenuse side. Then how to calculate the sin theta? We have considered the angle C. Then see, here is a perpendicular divided by hypotenuse side. I will write here P divided by H. P divided by H. Or you can also write opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. Okay, this theta opposite side is always perpendicular to the base. Always perpendicular to the base. That's why write perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular value? AB is there. AB divided by AC. Hypotenuse side. Similar way, we want to calculate the cos theta. Then how to calculate the cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but the base side divided by hypotenuse side. What is the base side? B is there and hypotenuse H is there. Okay, what is the value of this? BC divided by again AC. Again AC. Last is the tan theta. Tan theta, how to calculate the tan theta? Again remember that this P divided by B. Okay, perpendicular side divided by base side. Perpendicular side divided by base side. What is the perpendicular side and base side? Check that. Perpendicular side is A, B, and what is the base side? BC. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. This is the one side. If you have calculate sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta, then easily you can calculate cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Then how to calculate that cosec theta? This is the sin theta is the reciprocal of the cosec theta or vice versa. Okay, you should first calculate the sin theta perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Then you should write hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. Hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. What is the hypotenuse side? AC is there. AC and divided by AB. That's it. Okay. Same thing is here. Then cos theta is reciprocal of the sec theta. Then how to write again? H by B. H by B. Then you can write AC divided by BC. And last is a tan theta is also reciprocal of the cot theta. P divided by B means B divided by P. You can write the reciprocal of that tan theta BC divided by AB. Okay. In this way, you can write. Also remember that sin theta is equal to 1 divided by cosec theta. Or you can write cosec theta is equal to 1 divided by sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 divided by sin theta. Similar way for the cos theta, you can write or remember that cos theta is equal to 1 divided by sec theta, or you can write sec theta is equal to 1 divided by cos theta. And last, tan theta is equal to, also you can use 1 divided by cot theta, or cot theta is equal to cot theta is equal to 1 divided by tan theta. In this way in the introductory part, you should remember that terms of the trigonometry: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, also cot theta. You should remember with the help of this. Okay. If the angle will change, suppose here is a theta is given, then this side will be changed. Here we can say this side AB is the base side and BC is the perpendicular side. Perpendicular side. All of you getting this? Yes, very simple. You should remember this. With the help of that, easily you can solve the given numerical. Today we'll stop here. Thank you.